Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to our channel, Salsa and Bachata Moves, where we break down salsa and bachata moves. My name is Alexandros, my name is Andrea, we're from the Island of Cyprus, and this video is breaking it down, no music. If you like it with music, we always have another video. It's the first link in the description, and the info card that pops up right now. You can click on it at any time and go to it and watch it with music until each part. You don't have to learn the whole combination. And before we get started, I've been telling to the last 5 videos that I've created after 2 decades, my first beginner course. You can download it through Payloads. I have the second link in the description. And if you like to share it with your beginner friends to start off with me as their first steps in their journey. And if you like, there's also an affiliated link where you can sell it through that link and make $13 for yourself. If you sell 100 of them, then you can make 1,200 euros. It's not a bad deal, eh? Because I'm not good with marketing, I leave it up to you. Now, let's get started with our free lessons. This one, I call it the master move because watch at the beginning in the hands. 1, 2, 3, 5, nothing hard here, but then 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. So you've got all these things and they gotta go fast. I think the best way is to turn this way and show the hands slowly. And I'm gonna zoom in editing this part with the hands, and I show it just once, but I show it very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here you're gonna bring this over in. 1, 2, you see the band here? 3, you exchange hand. 5, you grab with your left elbow, so your left hand is also holding with the elbow her right hand, and you're also holding this. Then exchange, take this one, keep on holding her other hand, bring it over your head. At the same time now as you're going to bring it over her head while turning to the right, we're going to grab this behind. It's important to have this because afterwards we're going under it and throwing the hand behind. Okay, so I don't make this video huge, just rewind this part. I'll have it in a bigger close-up and then you can practice it. So let's continue. Well, let's start from the beginning and let's continue from there. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you see I bring in 6, 7, so this looks more intense. Then we go under. 1, 2, 3. You give a push and you grab there. You have to actually not throw on 3, just half a beat before 3, so you catch on 3 and you push the lady 5, 6, 7 for a double. She goes under while you turn to the right. 1, 2, exchange hands, 3, open the foot, 5, 6, and then give her a 1.5 turn to go backwards. Then over 1, 2, 3, use your shoulder, cross body to a half. Very common move unless you go in front of her. You stop her with your right, you give her a cross body lead with 1 and a head down of 360 and pass the lady while turning to your right and exchanging hands. It's a nice one, yeah? Okay, I went a little bit fast, but again, this is an advanced move. If you're improver intermediate, you won't be able to get this. So you need a partner that has experience with split of a second leads and a guy that has fluent hands who can put soft when he needs to, medium power when he needs to, and more power when he needs to. So you need to adjust all of these things. So slowly, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm not telling you this to discourage you. I'm saying it because I have a lot more on intermediate and improver level. And 1, 2, and 3, 5, 6, turn so you don't force the lead. 1, 2, switch the hands. 5, 6, push back and help. Over with the right, over with the left. Cross body lead with a half a turn, holding it with your left. 1, 2, changing to the right. Bring her over with the shoulder, go under the head and grab the back. Support the lady to 360. Pass her by, change the hand. Now guys, go in on 1, 2, 3 and simply pass her into a simple bridge, but push her so she opens up by 7. Push her 1, 2, 3. Very easy to do, even if it's fast. 1, 2, 3. Let go of the right hand, bring her back. 5, 6, lower the hand. Now we exchange position. The lady goes back, 2, I exchange to my right hand, and she just walks 5, 6, 7. Put the right hand over and grab the other one. 1, 2, 3. Adjust the hand for a double turn with the thumb up. 5, 6, start getting in by 7, guys. So here you can go 1, 2, keep on turning to the right, forward on 5, 6, turn the lady on 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And as always, yeah, I know I'm getting annoying because I like to over-explain. You can switch off the video now, but I would suggest you don't. Bring it to fruition. Do the whole thing with us. Switch off, pause the video, practice, so you pick up with this pace, this speed, which is slow salsa. And you can put cha-cha-cha and dance it on 1. And that's quite slow and good practice to do with music. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Down, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Turn, boys. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Overturn. 1, 2, 3. Bring her back and down. Switch positions. Easy walk 7. Change. Hands adjust for a double go in. 1, 3, 5, 7, 1. Yeah, I did a double there, sorry. Okay, that's it guys from us. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Once more, give a check on our new course for beginners. We're also going to have other more advanced ones that we never taught here. Yes, believe it or not, over 150 salsa combinations, and I have more that will be just specially in a course which will be a premium product. And we will also be teaching it a lot more analytically and with different corners and breaking it down. Here we're trying to do our best with the time that we have for YouTube videos. If we make a YouTube video 1 hour long, most probably you won't click on it. So thank you for watching. Make sure you comment, you rate, you share, and once again, check the link in the description for a PayPal donation if you like to support us. Don't consider the people are giving. Just the last month we only got 1 donation of €5. If you like, consider supporting us. Thank you very much. Stay healthy, stay at home, keep dancing. See ya!